So Jason Jacobs from Techno Labs here today. Western Digital has flown us all the way to New York City to demonstrate their new line of MyNet products. And I have Scott Gorey here from Western Digital. He's going to tell me a little bit more about MyNet and why you guys should be interested in the product, what it's going to do for you over your Linksys or Cisco that you have in your house now. Scott?
Yeah, thank you, Jason. The reason why we introduced the MyNet line is because we focus on accelerating the things that people are doing in their homes. Routers were originally designed just to pass data packets. They don't really pay attention to what that data is. But it turns out that if you're watching an internet movie or playing an online game or doing voice or video chat, those are much different demands than if you were just accessing a website or doing Excel or maybe conversing with a neighbor. And so what we wanted to do is accelerate those activities. You think about it, 70% of all internet traffic after 7 p.m. is movie streaming. And so what we did was we prioritized and accelerate the things that people do, the entertainment, whether they're watching a movie, playing a game, or doing voice and video chat.
So as you were telling me earlier, the MyNet line actually analyzes the traffic coming in and optimizes for home media, your movies, your 3D content, your online gaming, and it comes with an application built into the router that you can choose what to prioritize when, right?
Yeah, that's correct. So we introduced 3 products in the product line, the N600, N750, and N900. These are all dual band routers, which means that they work on the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz bands. And the N600 and the N750 and N900 all come pre-programmed to prioritize and accelerate the most popular internet streaming, gaming, and video sites. But we provided the user controls that you can go in and say, you know what, I like this game that I play with my friends online, and that we got used to when we grow up, and so I want you to prioritize that. Or I happen to watch this particular internet streaming channel. Now what's really cool about the N900 is not only do we have that programmability, but actually it analyzes all of the internet traffic inside your home in real time, and it will automatically accelerate video, online gaming, and voice and video chat.
By acceleration, what we're actually talking about here is taking a look at the incoming traffic and deciding where to allocate the bandwidth while throttling other things.
That is one portion of it is allocating bandwidth to the most bandwidth intensive tasks, so you don't lose the quality of service in a movie. The other thing, though, is actually communicating back to the services. The service like internet streaming, like Netflix, for example, they're always pinging the home network saying, hey, how's it going? How is the movie playing? And if it looks like it's being overloaded, they down res. We manage that for you so that it never gives the wrong impression to the game, the service, or to the internet movie service. So you always get the HD quality streaming.
So this is for that home user who has a Netflix account or wants to watch YouTube videos or Hulu Plus account. They really want to watch their media in high def. They've paid for it. They want to get this great experience. But sometimes they're watching it and they don't realize that something else is going on in the background. And all of a sudden their HD movie becomes this.
Exactly.
And maybe it chops up a bit. Or they've got, for example, what we've got going on the other screen, a Skype account. They want to communicate with somebody, but they're tired of watching blocks or pixelization.
Right, so what happens is that the home network usage has just exploded recently. Everybody walks into the home, their smartphone automatically switches to Wi-Fi. Somebody's watching a cartoon on an iPad, somebody else is playing a game on a gaming console, and you're trying to watch on internet streaming service on your HDTV all at the same time. Routers weren't originally designed to handle that, and so what happens is these streaming services then downgrade and lower the resolution of the picture, or worse yet, what if you're playing, online game and somebody sneaks up behind you and shoots you in the back before you even know what you're doing.
And we actually have a demonstration of this technology at work. Take a look at the demo right now.
Hey, my name is Paul Chen. I'm the Senior Product Line Manager at Western Digital, covering the MyNet family of routers. And today we're going to talk about the exclusive fast track technology that we've included in the MyNet routers. Now, the traditional router was designed to surf the internet just browsing for pictures and text. And what we've done at WD is optimize our routers for HD entertainment. In the N900 and N900 Central router, we do real-time traffic analysis in determining whether it is a service like Netflix that has initiated a session with our routers. And we actually preserve the difference between the service information and the video information as one thing. And therefore, we can optimize the experience for HD. Today in our demonstration, we're going to compare two routers. In this iPad, we're connected wirelessly to a MyNet N900 router running the exclusive Fast Track technology. On this iPad, we're connected to a competitor's router. This iPad will load up the video service quicker, and also as we start to simulate a browsing session, gaming, and other types of traffic, this router will continue to deliver the HD video experience, whereas this iPad over here will start to falter. Let's go ahead and get started. So you can see the speed of the traffic is faster when there is no traffic on the network. And also you want to compare how quickly it gets to HD quality. So what we've added is simulated network traffic, similar to what you would experience if you're downloading something from the internet and browsing. And as you can see with the MyNet N900 router, it knows that that traffic is lower priority versus the Netflix video, and so it preserves the bandwidth and gives the speed to the Netflix video. On a traditional router, all that traffic looks the same. It ends up with a traditional queuing, and therefore you get the results where Netflix delivers a lower res video. And so the MyNet router obviously preserves your video experience when the network's busy and when it's not. Now, this demonstration focused on Netflix and video, but if you think about video chats and gaming, the Fast Track exclusive technology delivers on those experiences as well.
So we're just taking a look at the demo. As you can see, it obviously impacts the way traffic is delivered to the screen. Last thing I wanted to talk with you, Scott, about, you guys have just entered an arena that very few other companies actually went into. Your MyNet N900 actually comes with a central device that has built-in storage into it. Correct. Two different types, right?
Yes, a 1 terabyte and a 2 terabyte model. The reason that we did this is because we find that people want to centralize their most important lines of data. We've got some very valuable pictures on this iPhone, on that notebook, on this iPad, and by being able to centralize it, you can now access it from all the computers in the home, all the mobile devices in the home. And because we have written software for iPads, iPhone, Android mobile devices, BlackBerry, Windows 8, you can share this content remotely as well. So your content is always available to you no matter where you are.
So this is a device for all platforms. Yeah. You've got your Apple device as well as your PC side of things, and Android for that matter, which is the third category. So this device will communicate with whatever you have.
That's right. Plug it in and it will be recognized.
Do you happen to have Western Digital wireless built into the laptop as well, or is this just a device that stands alone by itself?
This uses the 802.11n, which is the standard wireless for all notebooks and PCs on the market today. Awesome. Wi-Fi standard.
Thank you very much, Scott.
Thank you, Justin.
Appreciate your time. Stay tuned to a full look at the MyNet products on TechWorldLabs.com.